Hello everyone, back to you in today's second video. So we're doing a 5-day forecast today's second video. Already done the November month-end forecast, and that is on the month-end forecast page for 2016. Looks like we've got an interesting month coming up. Maybe a bit cold on average, maybe with a little bit of wintry potential, so do check out that update if you would like to do that. And talking of cold weather and wintry potential, we've got a little bit of that over the coming 5 days as well. Most of the wintry conditions will be on high ground and in the north, but not exclusively so. There might be, for Scotland particularly, the chance of some sleet or wet snow coming down to lower levels at the weekend. Don't think there'll be much elsewhere. It's certainly going to be feeling cold over the coming 5 days. Winds are going to be in from the north, and you're going to know that we're getting towards winter. Most definitely a really different feel to the weather this year compared to what we've had through many years around this time. So no zonal westerlies, no wet and windy weather. It just looks really quite cold. There will be rain at times, however. I'll get on with 5-day forecast in a second. Before I get on with that, just say about the ads, listen to articles on all pages, have a browse widgets, click through links. If there's any articles that you're interested in, you're going to be helping us to pay the website. Thanks so much for doing that. Gav Shop is open for Christmas, so you've got any Christmas shopping to do at Amazon between now and Christmas. Just go to Gav Shop, and then from there, click through the Amazon banners. And you'll go to Amazon, you do your Christmas shopping as normal, don't need to do anything different whatsoever, just do your Christmas shopping as you would normally do it at Amazon. The only difference is that because you've gone from Gav's Levies to Amazon, we get a revenue fee on the items that you are purchasing. And thanks very much for doing that. That's going to be open. Well, it's open and running all year round, actually. I just don't talk about it except at this time of year. But I'll be plugging it right way through to Christmas, so you've got plenty of time to do your Christmas shopping at Amazon through the Amazon banners in Gav's Shop. So, websites using for the 5-day forecast coming from weatheroutlook.com and weathercentral.d. You can find it both websites on the links page. It's going to be a live event, and I'll talk about that at the end of the video. So, this radar picture from the Weather Outlook got a few showers in the far north and northeast of Scotland. Most of these are rain, but over high ground, there could be a little bit of wintriness mixed in, but generally, they're light, fleeting showers anyway. Most parts of the country are dry through the course of today, so we won't dwell on that too long. Here's today's synoptic pressure chart. We are just about under a ridge of high pressure, but low pressure is developing to the northwest. That'll be moving southwards and eastwards into the country over the next couple of days. For the rest of this afternoon, I expect good sunny spells to be coming through. It's a nice day, really. It is cold, though. Colder than you would expect in an early November day with lots of sunshine. So temperatures are going to be around 6 to 11 degrees. The south coast might get a bit higher than that, but it feels chilly in those northerly winds. Certainly you need to put a coat on if you're off out and about this afternoon, despite that very pleasant sunshine. Now, as soon as it goes dark, we're going to find temperatures doing a bit of a plummet. So you're going to get quite cold quite quickly tonight, and by midnight, I think many places will be seeing temperatures close to freezing. This area of low pressure is moving in from the northwest, though, so later in the night, that's time the temperatures begin to lift up across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England as cloudier skies move down from the northwest. And there'll be showery rain moving into northern, western and central parts of Scotland. That might be a bit wintry initially over high ground, but it'll mainly be rain moving into the northwest. Further south, the bulk of England and Wales will actually stay clear, cold and frosty, with temperatures just either side of freezing, maybe down to -1 in some rural locations. And watch out for a few dense freezing fog patches down in the south as well in the second half of the night. So you go through to Thursday, and low pressure is clearly moving in from the north and the west. It means that having a north-south split, really. Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, probably North Wales looks fairly cloudy with showery rain coming and going. It won't be continuous rain, I wouldn't have thought, but there'll be rain on and off through the day, and generally just a very dull, damp, dismal sort of November day, really. That sort of day where you want to go into town, do a bit of Christmas shopping. Further southwards, we're going to have a dry start. There'll be sunny spells, maybe some freezing fog patches. That will go, and then we'll have quite a nice morning, but I would expect cloud to thicken up even in the south through the course of Thursday afternoon. So we might all finish up on quite a cloudy note, to be honest. Temperatures on Thursday look pretty cold, nothing to get excited about there, somewhere around, say, 6 to 12 degrees, something like that. And it will feel pretty dismal under those grey skies and showery bursts of rain up in the north. Not a pleasant day at all. That system will move further southwards overnight Thursday into Friday, so many of us could start Friday with outbreaks of rain. And rain could pep up a bit in the south and southeast, maybe turning heavy for a time on Friday morning. Brighter skies will be moving down from the north and west through the day, so we'll lose the persistent rain in the southeast through the morning. Sunny skies will edge in from the north, and with these sunny skies will come showers. In fact, there's an occluded front moving into the north, and behind that we're pulling in even colder air from the north and northeast. So although we will have sunny skies on Friday afternoon, expect a band of cloud and showers to be working southwards across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. There'll be rain showers, but behind that band of rain showers, it'll turn colder. And then the showers could start turning wintry over the higher ground, maybe even some lower ground across the far north of Scotland. Temperatures again around 6 to 12 degrees, something of that order. We get through into Saturday. It's an even colder day, but winds are properly in from the north then. That occlusion will still be producing rain showers across central, southern and southeastern parts of England on Saturday morning. They'll move away through the day. And then with winds turning into the north, actually most places will have a dry day. Showers will be mostly draped around the coast. They'll be mainly of rain, but up in the northeast, so northeastern England, particularly northeastern Scotland, those showers will turn wintry. There'll be snow on higher ground, a mix of rain, hail, sleet, and possibly a bit of snow down on lower levels as well. The winds are quite strong from the north, so temperatures will be colder at around 3 to 8 Celsius. It'll feel colder than that in the wind chill, and there'll be a widespread frost on Saturday night. So this is bonfire night, of course. If you've got any bonfire or fireworks parties planned for Saturday night, you're going to need your coat, you're going to need your scarf, you're going to need your gloves. It's going to be a cold night. Get through into Sunday, and if anything, winds turning a little bit more northeasterly on Sunday, so that would change the distribution of the showers a bit. Western coastal regions should be mostly dry on Sunday with sunny spells, but we'll have showers in the east, particularly around these eastern coasts. Some of them will start to come inland later on in the day. Again, I think most of those showers will fall as rain on low ground and across England and Wales, but get up in towards northeast England, up into eastern Scotland, places like the North York Moors, the eastern slopes of the Pennines, yes, there we could get some wintriness in those showers. Again, most of the snow will be on higher ground, but don't be surprised if you live up there that you might see the snow coming down to lower levels even in some of the heavier showers on Sunday afternoon. Temperatures again looking cold at around 4 to 9 Celsius, something of that order. And then we end the 5-day forecast period on Monday, still in this cold spell of weather. In fact, low pressure is moving in from the east. If this was the middle of winter, we would be talking about heavy snow moving in from the east there across many parts of the country with bitterly cold easterly winds. It's only November, so we're just talking about cloud and outbreaks of showery rain moving in off the North Sea, albeit as that rain gets to the elevation of places like the North York Moors, possibly somewhere like Buxton, it could turn wintry, but it's mainly going to be rain and showery bursts moving in off the North Sea. Scotland and Northern Ireland is actually under high pressure, so it should be mostly dry there, though it will be cold with sunny spells by day and frost and fog early and late. Temperatures probably somewhere in the range of around 5 to 10 Celsius, but it's going to feel cold where we've got the cloud and showery bursts of rain coming through. If I have a look at the charts from Weather Outlook, so here we go for today. Lots of dry weather with good sunny spells, and it does feel chilly though in that north to northwesterly wind. For Thursday, we've got outbreaks of showery rain moving down from the north and west, although the southeast should stay mostly dry through daylight hours. Rain showers and longer spells of rain clears away from the southeast on Friday. Winds turn into the north, so it turns colder for northern parts of the country, and that leads us into a cold weekend. Mainly dry, showers draped around the coast on Saturday. Otherwise, lots of dry weather with cold sunshine coming through. Even colder on Sunday with showers, again, mostly draped around coast, but I think the distribution of those showers will change more towards the eastern side, with the west turning drier. Those temperatures really look very cold indeed for early November, and there'll be night frost as well. And we get through into Monday, when we bring that low pressure in from the east. So that takes cloud and outbreaks of showery rain in across England and Wales, with Scotland and Northern Ireland staying mostly dry, feeling cold in those northerly and northeasterly winds. So in summary, it's going to be a cold start to November. Winds are going to be in from the north, so we're going to have a fair amount of dry weather, but there will be showery rain coming through at times. The main thing will be the cold feel, and there'll be night frost, maybe some fog patches around as well. And all in all, a very seasonable start to what could be a fairly cold November. Right, that's how the 5-day forecast is looking for today, and all that remains to say, thanks very much for watching. And this evening from 7 p.m, something a bit different will be taking place here at the website, because I'm doing a live event myself, and Quantum will be discussing the weather patterns. No doubt we'll be talking about the weather over the next few days and where the wintry potential might be. I suspect we'll be talking a little bit about the coming winter as well. And we'll also be taking as many of your questions as we can. So it's going to run for around a couple of hours from 7 p.m. here at DazWebbies.com. So maybe I'll see you then, and we'll do a live chat. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.